Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download Sims mobile application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go ahead and open up your App Store. In the search bar, type in Sims Mobile. Go ahead and look for this application and tap on the download button. You will be able to see the application with a name TSM, which means The Sims Mobile. The Sims Mobile is a captivating life simulation game that brings the beloved Sims franchise to your fingertips. Experience the joy of creating unique Sims, building dream homes, and navigating the complexities of virtual life with the application. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes, and you will then be able to get started playing with The Sims Mobile right on your iOS device. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.